Seasoned organizers often reuse key materials from past events to be efficient, repurposing things like registration forms, surveys, and email templates that can stay similar each year. But what returning organizers especially love about Whova is the ability to do so in only a couple of clicks, copying over what they've used before and quickly adjusting it for this year's event. Over 30+ Whova features support reuse. Now, we're taking this one step further. With shared templates, organizers can go beyond reusing their past work, reusing from past organizers who have succeeded without needing to start from scratch. Whether it's handing off a successful playbook to next year's event team, cross-comparing branding for consistency, or helping organizers of related events hit the ground running, Whova's template sharing feature makes it easy to share best practices, all without having to share any sensitive data. So how does it work? It's simple. Just type in your organizer's name and email address. Then click the Share Template button to bring others up to speed in minutes. They'll then be able to bring in templates from your past events and make any updates they need, such as with announcements for on-site logistics, right within their own dashboard. But sharing templates isn't one-sided. Whova makes it easy to request templates from other organizers as well. Just enter the organizer's name and email address, along with the name of the event that you're requesting templates from. Once they've approved your request, their templates will automatically show up on your own dashboard. By navigating to the feature that you want to set up, the Reuse button will allow you to see all of the templates that you want to apply and tailor to your current event's needs. Ready to see how it works for your events? Request a demo or reach out to your Whova representative today to learn how your team can collaboratively streamline setup and elevate your attendees' experience.